Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay June 14, 2023, Miyerkules. At welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating special feature ay tungkol po sa San Miguel. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. At since 2007, nag-i-invest na po ako sa Philippine stock market. Araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks. Kung gusto niyo pa na content, nimbita ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol po sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pro-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE today, June 14, kalahating buwan na po o halos kalahating buwan. Dito lamang po sa the stock market today. Ang ating headlines ay matatagpuan natin sa BDO Securities. Dito po siya. Foreign direct investment inflows in the Philippines fell 48% and 31% year-on-year to 548 in March as recession fears and slower global trade dampened investor sentiment, according to BSP. Sa sector and company news, vehicle sales surged 44.8% in May. TRB approves toll adjustment for NLEX. Ito pong news natin yesterday. As nasabi ko nga po, 7 pesos po yung sa class 1, ang increase from 63 pesos to 70 pesos. Sa class 2 naman, 19 pesos yung increase. At class 3, ito po yung heavy vehicles. Ang increase po niyan ay 26. Yan po. Tell unit to raise 150 million US dollars fresh funds for Maya. DMCI Homes expands Luzon Land Bank for new formats. Mega Consortium commits 210 billion for NAIA upgrade. And this is our main news, SMCC's challenging year ahead. Galing po ito ng Business World, but I will be reading the summary from BDO Securities. SMC expects its businesses to face challenges for the rest of the year due to economic pressures and lower demand. Despite this, because the company is doing everything that we can, our first quarter results are still good. If we can at least match the previous year's performance, then we would be very thankful, SMC President and Chief Operating Officer Ramon Ang said. Meanwhile, the conglomerate plans to invest more in its core food and beverage business, infrastructure and energy projects to ensure its long-term profitability. These plans include 1. Building several mega poultry plants across the country over the next 10 years to bring logistics costs lower, prevent supply shortage, and provide more stable pricing. 2. Completing its 1,000 megawatt battery energy storage system and 1,313 megawatt Batangas combined cycle power plant by 2024. 3. Finishing the land development phase of the 740 billion New Manila International Airport by end of 2024. And 4. Progress milestones for the other infrastructure projects such as MRT7 and SLEX toll roads 4 and 5. So galing po ito ng Business World and Manila Standard. Sa commentary po ng BDOSEC, SMC's big ticket projects would provide new revenue streams for long-term growth, but heavy financing requirements coupled with the execution and regulatory risk put interim pressure on parent balance sheet. We have a neutral rating on SMC. So magaganda po ang projects ng SMC, yun nga lang po, marami po siyang loans. Marami po siyang utang. Kasi you have to, ang source of financing po ni SMC is loans. Of course, the stock market, but more of it is loans from banks. Okay, so let's now take a look at the index and let's see. I think bumaba po ito, no? Naku, down 73.2 points or 1.12%. Nasa 64.34.06. And at sabi po ng BDO Securities, dito, meron po siyang commentary po dito Nang sabi niya, it's nearing a looming death cross, following the market bounce that occurred after reaching the 6,430 low. The PSEI failed to go back above the previous uptrend channel. Furthermore, the second downtrend line remains intact. As such, we expect the market to continue to decline, probably testing the 6,400 level. Nandun po tayo ngayon, Critical support level. Yun po yung 6,400. Also, with possible death cross looming, a break below this support area may see an acceleration in its descent unless the market trades well beyond the 6,750 area. We believe that any rally will likely be short-lived. Yan po yung technical analysis po ni BDO Sec on the index. Okay? But fundamentally, or most of the index stocks are very good. Kaya po, sa akin po, time to buy. Time to buy po ito. Okay, the most active stock, market activity muna, all share index is down 34 or 0.87%. All sectoral indices are down except industrials, which ended flat. The largest or biggest loser is services at 2.04%. Now, let's review the most active stocks. JGS, RRHI, Ali, SM, and BDO. So, JGS and BDO gained today. However, RRHI, Ali, and SM are down. So, let's take a look muna on JGS. JG Summit. Okay, ended with a Dragonfly Doji. Almost flat, 50. Halos hindi mo makita yung yung chart niya. Pero laki pa ng volume, Ang volume po niya ngayon ay 5.04 billion pesos, Nakita niyo po yung laki ng angat ng bar chart natin, And it's up 50 centavos, but it's still bearish to my mind if we will be drawing a parallel channel from here to here. Yan po siya. And the support based dito sa parallel channel is at 46.30 and the resistance at 79.75. Let's take a look at JG Summit conglomerates. May neutral rating po si BDO Sec dito. And the target price is 54 or 12% upside. Yun po, ang laki po ng PE niya, 37.1 for 2023. Yun yung forecast. And 2024, it's 16.9, lumiit ng konti. But alam po natin, the lower the PE, the better for the company or the better situated the company is. May pinakamagandang PE among the conglomerates ay LT Group. Maganda po yung PE niya. 4.1 and 3.8 lang po Yun po. Okay, so let's now go to RRHI. Si RRHI, meron po siyang red candlestick, although mas mataas po ito, Again, from the previous day's close, again, if we'll be drawing, bearish po kasi ang dating sa akin ito So, ganyan po siya, yung kanyang parallel channel would be like this with a slight overshoot. Yan. Yan. Bearish po natin sa akin. So, meron po siyang loss po si RRHI. Hindi naman loss, kundi it's smaller than the first quarter compared to the first quarter last year, no? 683.28 million. But the prospects for consumers are very good this year, actually, based dito sa study ni BDO SEC, no? So, RRHI as a conglomerate or tingnan natin, consumers, consumer po yan. Robinson's retail holdings may buy rating po siya with a target price of 85 pesos or a 68.7% upside. It has the highest upside among the consumer stocks. Yan po. CRRHI support is at about 49 ang support niya, and then the resistance is at 52 based po dito sa parallel channel. Well, take note lang po na ang RRHI ay nag-oversold na po noong May 29 and June 1, meaning that there is a possibility that the stock may rise in the coming days. Si Ali naman, Ali is engulfing red candlestick siya, and it's approaching oversold level, nasa 30.24, almost oversold. So it lost 4% today. May news kaya dito o baka market sentiment lang po ito? O nagbabuyback siya, dahil nga napakamura ng stock. And this is the lowest price since October 2022. Magandang bumili. No, magandang bumili po. Ang support po niya, nakikita ko po dito sa areang to. Yan, 2285 po ang pinaka-support. And that support level was reached September to October 2022. Yan po, but the earnings po are very good, First quarter, 27.80, 2022, it's 43.84. Yan po ang Ali, no? Yan. So, so nasa 22 po ang pinaka-support ni Ali. So, it's still bearish, and once na ma-reach po ang oversold level, pwede na po nating masabi na baka mag-reverse na po yung trend. Pero kung ako po sa inyo, mag-accumulate ako unti-unti. Kasi napakaganda po nito. Ang baba ng presyo ni Ali. Magandang stock po ito. Let's check the properties. No? Ayala Land, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 35 pesos. Ngayon, nasa 24. So, ang upside po niya is 40.8%. Okay po. And then, after Ali, SM naman. Conglomerate to si SM. Steady lang po si SM. Steady lang po siya. Si SM kasi had 386.26 million in volume today. So right now, it's sideways. Moving sideways lang po si SM. And on the short term, let's check. No? So in the past, let's do a parallel channel instead. So in the short term, I think it's moving upwards. No? Itong si SM. And the prospects are good for 2023, no? So based dito sa short-term parallel channel natin from March to June, ang kanyang resistance nasa 961, samantalang ang kanyang support ay nasa 910, more or less. No? Sa support level na po itong CSM. So SM, check lang natin yung conglomerates on the target price, 1,110 or 22% upside po si SM. And then finally, we have BDO, part of the SM group po ito. Yan, umaakyat po si BDO. Umaakyat po siya. But right now, kasi yung indicator po natin, yung long term, paakyat po siya. And if you were able to buy at this level, 134, congratulations po. Ito po siya. Darvas box, if we'll draw Darvas box. Ganyan po ang movement niya. Dito po, April 24 hanggang June 14, So, 1 or 2 months, So, 143 or 144 po ang resistance. Nasa 134 po ang support niya, but it continues to move up. Wala pong study si BDO Sec on BDO eh. Self-serving po, kung masabi ko lang. So they won't do a study on BDO. So sa ibang broker siguro meron, but BDO Sec wala po. So support is here at 134 and resistance is at 144. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ikalabing-4 ng Hunyo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyo pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.